Welcome back, folks. Today we will be unboxing and potting up a couple perps, a couple Venus flytraps, and a couple Drosera. Alright, so this is Perp Montana from Transylvania County, North Carolina. This is one that I've wanted to get my hands on for a couple months now, and actually made a really cool trade with a fellow grower. I'll link his Reddit page below. He definitely looked out for me on here, so of course I'm going to take my trusty poker, stuff those roots down, and then just squeeze the peat and perlite around the roots, and that's it. So he actually threw this in as a freebie. Thanks again. This is my first northern perp. This is Purpurea, subspecies Purpurea from Pennsylvania. This thing's really nice. You can already see the pictures, the picture shape from last year's pictures. Look really good. Same spiel. We're gonna throw this thing down roots first. It's got a long set of roots on it too. And I always like to remind you guys, make sure you pre-wet your media. My media stays wet because I leave a pot out for it to get rained in. So when I'm ready to pot something up, it's ready to go. But you want to just make sure that media is wet so that you don't put plants in dry media. I'm actually going to be mulching these pots with pine straw because I finally ran out of sphagnum moss. So I'm just taking some kitchen shears from Walmart. It doesn't have to be anything expensive, or it doesn't have to be complicated either. Keep it simple. And I like to take the pine straw and fold it in half, and you just basically chop the shavings up right into the pot. This is the easiest way and that I've found to manage the pine straw, and it creates a good mulch so that the rain doesn't splash peat and perlite all over the place, and you get less soil erosion. It softens the blow of the raindrops when they come down, which definitely helps. You'll notice on these 3.5 by 3.5 by 5 inch pots that I'm just mulching right into the pot, all over the plants and everything. This is because it's just too much work to try to clean the plant back off. One thing I know to be sure is once this plant starts to grow back in, it's gonna push through the pine straw anyway. I didn't like entirely cover it, but I also didn't take a pair of tweezers and try to clean every single piece of pine straw off of it either. All right, they're all done. Just gonna do a little once over. And when I got to this part, I saw that I could still see the peat through the pine straw. So in a second, I'm gonna add a little bit more pine straw.